Welcome to the garage. This is where the rubber meets the road, and where some of the biggest questions about the future of driving are being asked. Today we're diving into the electric versus gas car debate, a topic that's everywhere these days, from news headlines to dinner table conversations. It's not just about engines, it's about the future of driving, the environment, and how we get from point A to point B in a rapidly changing world. For over a century, gas cars ruled the road. Reliable, powerful, and everywhere. They've shaped our cities, our culture, and even our sense of freedom. But now, electric vehicles, or EVs, are stepping up, getting better and more common every day. They're no longer just futuristic concepts. They're here, and they're changing the game. Governments are making new rules, automakers are investing billions, and everyone's wondering what to buy next. The choices we make now could shape the roads for generations. Why the urgency? We're more aware of the environment, and technology has leapt forward. Batteries are better, motors are more efficient, and EVs are just cool. Plus, the push for cleaner air and less dependence on fossil fuels is stronger than ever. Electric cars have gone from quirky science projects to real options for millions. They're showing up in driveways, on highways, and in the hands of everyday drivers. This isn't just a car enthusiast debate anymore. It's for anyone who drives, commutes, or just wants to get around town. Gas cars offer freedom and reliability. You can drive cross-country and always find a gas station. They're familiar, and for many they're still the go-to choice for long trips and quick refuels. Electric cars offer a new experience, quiet, quick, and promising cleaner air. With instant torque and high-tech features, they're redefining what it means to drive. We're at a turning point, and it's time to look under the hood of both. What's really different? What's surprisingly similar, and what matters most to you? This isn't about picking a winner, it's about understanding what each brings to the table and how your choice fits your lifestyle, your budget, and your values. Let's break down the nuts and bolts and see what makes each one tick. From maintenance to performance, from charging to fueling, we'll cover it all. The future of driving is being decided right now in real time by people like you and me. So which side are you on? Let's get into it and see what the road ahead really looks like.